Hello traders and welcome in the first video of 2024. I really hope you had a good year of 2023 and I wish you the 2024 year will be even better for you. In today's video I'll be showing you my full charting tutorial for Bitcoin, covering it from 69,000 to 5,000, everything I consider important. Remember, charting is really cornerstone of your trading, but overall charting only takes up to 30% of your trading. Rest of it is order flow and of course respect to your money management. But you need to have good charts so you can engage with the market. Where are the most favorable areas for your trades, okay? I will be showing you how I cover and chart Bitcoin from small time frame, from local time frame to high time frames. In order to be really effective trader, you need to understand Bitcoin not only on small time frame but also on higher time frames, because these sometimes you get participations from medium to higher time frame traders, and they can, you can be just zoomed in on 1 minute chart and just to scalp without knowing context from the higher time frames. Okay. And also I want to say the charting covers the very important question, which is where you want to engage with the market. Okay. But if you want to engage with the market or not, for that you have the order flow and price action. Okay, so but yeah, good charts are important, and so let's dive into it. So this video will be public as well, so people around the world can see how I chart. And I think it's because I trade for multiple years, for many years, I think it's really efficient method to to structure your trading view like that and so on. So let's go for it. So here I have the local time frame. This is the time frame where I usually do intraday trades, trades which can take 1 day or just few minutes if it's scalp, yes, or even 2-3 days. That's more like local time frame. So you can see right now when we go to 50-minute time frame, more local time frame is for me is this range here, okay, and also the overall range of this from like we get from the December. So this is local to medium time frame for me, yes. So let's start with it. Market structures, I already have some plotted from previously. Some people like to delete their charts and rechart. Why should I do that? I don't want to do that. I already have really good charting. I only add to my charts, yeah. If I'm really satisfied, there is no need to delete chart and rechart again. Why? You have other assets where you can trade for that, but for Bitcoin of course not, because it's yeah. I will be most important things for in the video. Everything I say, if I say something connected to the trades, is non-financial advice, just education and entertainment. And second thing, I will be commenting over everything I do. So this video can be really long. It will take few hours because I want to do this. This is 2024 charting, so we have a lot of new data when the year closed and so on. All right, so let's go for it. So. And when you are plotting market structures, you need to think what is happening. So as we are pushing up with massive impulse, we found the top here. We started to go into the local range. So I was already watching what key levels, what market structures, supply and demand zones will be born out of here. Because market, you see how much we pushed. Look at that. From 33,000 to 47,000. Absolutely crazy push. ETF anticipation pricing in, yes. Oh, perfectly fine. But now market found the top. So where the market found a local range here and supply and demand zones, market structure areas, they will be really key for the future, especially if we place range, and we actually traded in the range for like 5 weeks at least. So yeah, these market structures for me are extremely important for me. So I will not be deleting, I will be extending, right? So like that. I also need to extend like that. And I will be changing color because my green color is for the more for like from this range, yes, from the more local, naked, untouched market structure areas is like that. But if it was traded already, like you see from this range, look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Oh, so much chop over it. Now it's reclaimed as a support. So this is already changing the color. If I don't have as many touches, it's like more like naked, waiting for the retest, same like the naked point of control or the other naked stuff we use. Then I have the green color. So now I'll be changing color definitely to the market structure, medium time frame, normal, like that. because this is already done. Now let's go to 50-minute time frame. So if I'm doing really big zones, I'm always using 1 hour time frame. It's fantastic. I really love 1 hour time frame. And for smaller time frames, for more intraday naked market structure supply demand zones, we use smaller time frame. So I'm already watching where we found resistance and support in the previous. So more local one is here, but as we have the older one as well, so I will now, I don't need to change anything here, but yeah, we found the top here, so I definitely need market structures from here. So we are watching where price is rejected a lot of times. So first we need the top for potential, you know, when we do swing failure pattern, then we change, then we push down, and then we go for the retest of the local golden zone. Then we can find resistance in this area. So that's why I need it there. Or we will just do in the future like push and rejection for some nice scalable day trade. So we need to, this is the like intermediary top. So I need that market structure. Let's go for the color. As it is more local one, naked, that needs just green color, extending it like that. So we have one from top. This was more very choppy here, so not much happening. We have one here, which market already retested and gave us a reaction. So I really love it, and I will be doing it definitely. So look at that. From here, market was supported a lot of times. This was just 1 week. I always look where the most of the price action and rejections happen on a week and price action perspective. Okay, so that's definitely another one to watch for the future. Now this one is already rejecting us. This is medium time frame, a local one, so they are together. That's perfectly fine. We have one more here, but it's very choppy. Maybe I'll do just the thin one. In the future, I'll be watching that, but it depending on the reaction, I will be maybe deleting. We'll see what's gonna happen. I can go like that. It's too choppy. I don't like it because we need to see where we reject in the future and then do market structure. It's just too many weeks and it's very, very not good there. So let's go further. So we'll be extending this one into the future a bit as well. Today is 8th of January, so we can extend for I usually extend for the 1 week because then I do recharting and can do like that. So this is done. Now let's go to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this one we got another retest. We've got a very big long from here. Look at that, fantastic. Now it got 1, 2, 3 touches. I will still keep it as a local one, but one more touch to it, and I will be changing the color. And now we still have, look at that. So we found support multiple times in this area. So I need some nice market structure as well from that, especially now when we got this massive exhaustive move to the downside. We've also retested this market structure and it held again. So I will not be including week, but I will be putting another one here. Let's go like that. So where were you born from? So he's probably from here. It was born, yeah, like that. Another retest, yes, that's a really good one. Holding, yes. I think this range is done for now. We can move this to here. Let me recheck 50-minute time frame, just how it was behaving on smaller time frames as well. Holding beautifully. Yes, seems it's matching. I'm just watching where it was actually born. It was actually from these regions. Here was too choppy. Okay, 1 hour time frame now. Okay, so 1 hour time frame now. All I need to do is now to extend my already previous charting. So when we lose this big range of 5 weeks, we will start to watch previous market structure supply and demand zones. Also, if some market structure zone is very, very strong, it held us multiple times, you can highlight it. I don't do it when it's like 3 touches like here, but when it's like 5-6 touches, it's starting to become very strong for me, and I highlight it with stronger colors like you will see here. Okay, so for now let's just extend all this. Is done, was done previously and is done well. Further. It's just a lot of extending over here. Let's go further because we will have the ETF on the Bitcoin, so I just want you rather be ready. And this is 2024. This is like charting for the next year, so I want all of them up to date to correct price. Yes, those are extended. We can extend this last batch here. Very good. For our time frame, just view like that. Some checks. Okay, very nice. Okay, so market structure local folder is done. Let's go to value areas local one. So these are the auction market theory. This is the cornerstone of our trading strategy because market is always rotating from one range into another. So charting it is very important. You see, I was not updating charts for some time, especially from December. We've got the some big holidays, so I will be deleting a lot of stuff here. Gone. This one was already traded. We need to do some extension of this val region. Where is it coming from? I need to check for our time frame. So it was already traded. It's this double range val. Yes, we can keep it. Because we have two important ranges there, so I want to see them like that in the region. Oof, that's too much. Okay. 1 hour time frame, saving the chart, refresh, and let's go. Okay, we need to go to a small time frame. So I start to include, after we can include the volume from the drop as well. Nice. You can also include this top price action here, but I like to include it. I like to watch the main range from here because the majority of the volume price action I'm seeing in this lower region. So yeah, this is also range, but I like this pool much better. Also, we can have a look if this is very different if we do like that in terms of Yeah, high volume node switches here. Yeah, it's not much difference, but I will keep this pool here. So how long this is lasting? So from 11th of December to 8th of January. So it's 4 weeks value area high. It's good for you to prepare templates. Always, it's saving time. Don't just write all the levels. Prepare templates so you can very quickly save time during your charting for the color and text. So 28 week, 4 weeks, 4 week VWAP. I'm always doing it on 1 hour time frame. I'm using 500 row size. Okay, let's go. Let's do val. Okay, val. Fantastic. And now we need point of control. So you know who is controlling this range. And if you lose this range, you can trade this point of control as well. 4 weeks. Point of control. If this becomes 2-month or 3-month range, or we just move out of this range, I will be moving this range from local perspective into the medium time frame. Yes, so it's not mixed. You can see over here via ranges. I will be moving it to medium time frame, but I'm still keeping it because it is affecting also locals price action and trading. Okay, so we have this as well. So why you need to plot these ranges? You know, I'm not even giving you tutorial because we have a lot of education in our group, but you know, to watch the main range where we are at the top here is very important, because first of all, when you get acceptance into this range, you expect rotations. Now you lost the point of control. If you don't reclaim it, you will be looking for another trade and rotation to the val. So range rotations, number one, why we watch it, and also secondary, if you start to reclaim, for example, you will reclaim this local market structure here, and you start to move outside the VWAP, and then you will be expecting move into this more local range and potentially attacking the highs. If you lose the val, now you become a lot more bearish, and you will be looking for filling the inefficiencies in the wick and potentially attack the lows. So absolutely key to have the main range for the medium and local time frame, so you know what's your bias, yeah, because you can become more bearish, more bullish, just depending on AMT. So I need that range. So this is the main range for me, and now we go to 15-minute time frame, and we will be doing where the price action is very locally past few days. So we are seeing we are in this range here, we have like very local one, so I'll be doing range for that. I'm not even marking values for that range, but I just want to see when we are doing rotations, because you see from 5th of January to 8th of January, this is also weekend included, we are just stuck in this range. So we need to know when we finally leave this range. Also, yes, so this is the small range for just few days, and for the larger time frame view and ranges, I have another color, so I know it's very different and it's more important for me. So I need to do blue one. Okay, so we need to push both to the top, because trading view is showing you down there here. So visual order we need to bring to front, so I can put it into the folder. Very nice. And also we need, so here we've got the week, we've got the sideways price action here, 50-minute time frame. I need to recheck everything what happened. You see price was in the uptrend channel, was uptrending, yeah, higher highs, high lows, but it was also creating this small range here like that. So when you left the range, and you go for the retest, look at that val is holding, because you were not stopping at the VWAP and point of control, so you were looking for another trade from the val. Market fully rotated this range, also taken people out. You can see their liquidity here. Look at that, so many lows. So fantastic. So that's why you also watch this. But now, as this range was fully played out, it was also more local one. I mean, val was not touched. I can still mark val for me because it is naked. So let's go again. So we go val, template, wow, and how this is just 1 day, so I will not even be adding any text, so it's just naked val like that. Potential, you better know that, because when you take out this low and you create swing failure pattern and it's gonna be very tight and you stop here, you know why you are stopping here, because market finally like fully rotated this more local pull of the range. That's all I need from here, because other informations from that range, other data were traded. Okay, so finally what we need from this range is also when we leave this range to the upside, this very local one and the big one, the big VWAP here, the last, because Bitcoin is very close to the all-time highs, the last line of defense and potential for your trades is gonna be from the stop range. So you also need the local pull here. So what's gonna happen? So we are pushing like that. This is pretty easy. We'll be starting from here and we will be ending. So this week was already outside like that. Color needs to be white. Okay, very nice. And now I will be again marking like that. So I know it's naked VWAP. How long we were here? So 2nd of January is just 1 day, so just 1 day. Point of control I'm not marking. I will be doing high volume node, because in such low, it's just in 1 day range. I don't even care about exact point of control. I look for this high volume node fully, so that's what I'll be marking in another folder. So we don't need that, and we need val of that range. So we know finally when we get acceptance. Look at that rejection. You see why charting is important? You already, because auction market theory combined with auction market theory are these value areas and all principles we use. Look at that. I will be showing you just one folder in the group. We go over here. Empty cheat sheets. For example, if you learn this will make your life a lot easier. Yes, because we are trading these scenarios. Then you do not doubt what's gonna happen. You know is what is more likely. So just when I turn on these two confluences together, after massive drop, you see where market found resistance. This was the really first strong area of resistance, because these were inefficient moves to the downside. No volume here, also no volume here. Very easy move to the upside, very easy move to the downside, and it was also the val of the range. Okay, just beautiful. Okay, let's turn on market structures. Now we need val. So there was little front run, so I will not mark it as naked. I consider it traded already, especially with a strong reaction, so it's gonna be just val. So why I need that? So of course I need that when we reclaim this high without swing failure pattern, then I know if we don't do swing failure pattern, then I know it's very likely we will rotate to the point of control, or we will rotate range fully and I will be taking profit on my long, or I will be looking for shorts. These informations are important. Show me more strength, reclaim VWAP, you can attack the highs. Super simple stuff. That's why I need it like that. Okay, so let's move it into the value area local. That's it. And yes, we need to move it to front, the last one. Visual order bring to the front, and let's put it here. Okay, very good. Now we are, like that. Let me recheck from the history. So with the history of, if everything is set as should be, yes it is. I should be adding well, this is temporary. Was I charting it this on the 50-minute time frame? Oh yes, yes, I need to do that on the 1 hour time frame. These ranges. Like that and like that. Or actually we can keep the 50-minute because it was taking just for 1 day. So it's more precise if you use smaller time frame. So this is going to be fine. So I'll be marking mainly the vals that they will be watching. Here is just local one, but it's very important the 21-day VWAP here, so don't need to like put too much levels there. It's good. So val here. These are just 1 day ones. Very good. And from higher time frames, yes, it's gonna be in another folder. Okay, like that, we are done here. High volume nodes and low volume nodes. Let's do it like that. Okay, so I will turn on the local ranges now. So yes, I always mark for myself high volume nodes fully because sometimes you don't stop, price don't stop at the point of control to the dollar because the whole world is watching it. But for better breathing room, especially Bitcoin is very volatile asset, you need high volume node fully. So you know, if you breach it for some, distance, you are still within the high volume node. So let's go like that. Let's see where is the majority of the volume. It's over here. It's over here. Can do like that. Okay, and now the range is taking 4 weeks, so I'll be marking it as 4 weeks. You always need to write text, yes, because then you know if it's not just some random 2-day high volume node, but it's 4 weeks, right? So it's very big. These nodes are used, when you like lose this range, big move to the downside, then you go for the retest, and after a long time, it's gonna very likely give you reaction. So yeah, you watch it. Oh, for long video, I had 30 minutes are done, man. Now I'm already just here, but yeah, I'm commenting for you, so that's what matters. I will do it. I need to just repair this here. I always do it 1 hour time frame. I will not change the rules. Okay, so now we need high volume node from the top as well. You can also separate in color style. You can be sure, like if it's medium, if it's higher time frame range, you can have different color for the high volume nodes, and for very local ones, which are offering us scalps, you can have different color, and I can do like that. So this is how, yes, this is just 1 day, so we will go like that. So where is the high volume node? It's over here, like that. And we are looking for high volume node. Strong. This is just, naked and local. It's not even, strong. We'll rename that. Okay, so I'm not marking this range, this local range here, because we still are in it and developing. So that's what we don't need. Now I'll be need to catching up to the price, these older nodes, so like that. Low volume node also needs to catch up here. Okay, I will do one more. So I'm already down to 26k. Perfect. Okay, so this is done. This is the main one, and now we have this one as well ready. This was traded already, so I don't have data there. These are the big ones. You can also mark the really like these small ones in case we will do wicks. But I think we will have some daily naked point of controls there, so I will not do it for now. This will be more precise there. What we need also is we need to go to smaller time frame, 50-minute time frame, and we'll be looking where is the low volume node. We'll be just copying that here. Okay, it's over there. Perfect. 50-minute time frame. Okay, like that. So you also need to mark on your chart low volume nodes, because it's very likely once price get acceptance into them, moves very fast over it, so you don't look much for trades in them. And this whole week was also very inefficient with very low volume, right? Small time frame. So I'll also mark it in there as well. So I know once we lose this low and we start filling it, it will be very easy for the market to do so. Like that. Okay, this is done. One more check to the upside. We can check if there is any low volume node at the top. No, here we had. Okay, it's nothing there. Okay, this is done. We can delete this. Anchor VWAPs. We can go to 1 hour time frame for the overall view. So I can see what was traded already. I hope I don't need to mention their importance. Yes, they are really simple to learn and helping you with your trades. Pretty decent confluence. A lot of people are just VWAP traders, so definitely use them. So I need this anchor VWAP, which is measuring volume since we started ranging. So this is 4 weeks anchor VWAP. So I see what's the bias. Yes, because while you trade above it, your bias is more to the upside. If you're already in positions, you look for to hold trades longer, for example, right? And now if you start to trend below and trade below, it's more likely you will read as another batch of anchor VWAPs below. I'm looking if I'm missing something, so I definitely miss some anchor VWAPs. So I have two at a very similar position. So this one already fulfilled its purpose, I would say, because we had, oh, look at that, we had big buys here, more choppy, but still help us have to reclaim. Front run, another retest, and possible, and even yeah, this was already traded down. So yeah, this was already traded well, and it's getting more choppy around it. So market paying Twiglight's attention, because anchor VWAPs, the strongest reaction you get always on a first touch. But yeah, this one was holding pretty nice, so we can be deleted. So your chart is not getting overcrowded, and it's mostly more raw data. This one is still keeping, I'm keeping it on the chart because we had only one retest. It's now catching up to the upside, and it's still measuring the latest like full impulse. You need the anchor VWAP from the latest impulse, and the latest impulse was actually from 34,000 from that drop. Since at that moment we push, now we go to the range. But yeah, I still want to have it on my chart because it's measuring whole uptrend. Yeah, so if you lose this, it can be trouble. So yeah, it's also charting, but I also want to comment on my thinking process, yeah, what is going in my mind behind everything, single thing I'm watching on a chart as well. That's why it's going to be a long video. But yeah, it should be enriching for you. Okay, so what I'm missing here? So I'm missing two anchor VWAPs, more from local range. So we need, this was the 2024 high and also very big high for the Bitcoin. It was new high. So we definitely need anchor VWAP from that. So we can see what's the power of a, it's going to be red color, downtrend. You see why you have it and why it's strongest on a first reaction. Yeah, this was the push to the upside and very like a little front run. But I don't like, we are so choppy. It's the best utilization of it is when we are doing like that. When you go for the push, you reject, you go down, VWAP is also catching up, then you know, you follow the downtrend or uptrend. Now I don't like to watch it as much because it's getting super choppy. It's choppy, it's already collecting volume from this range. I don't like it, so it's not going to be on my chart now. Maybe you can have it for buyers when you reclaim and it's more chances to the upside, but it's just too choppy, it's going away. And let me look for the bottom of the week, yes, which was measuring our push to the upside. I need to go to a small time frame because this was huge move and set it exactly because there was massive volumes there. Yes. Okay, so you always set it from the first big green candle. You don't care about forced selling from this candle. Set it to uptrend and let's see if it's helpful for us. I think it's gonna be again very choppy. Oh, actually it is still providing us some help, but yeah. So after you made it, this was the first retest. You see, you look at that high probability trade. I was showing you like here, always high probability on first touch. It was lost, reclaimed, then we push up. So after a retest, yeah, this was massive liquidations. It was ignored, but it was like a lot of forced selling. So market was not paying attention to the technical analysis. But when you have more controlled drop, market yet again looking and held perfect. And now yet again we are holding the region now. Yeah. If we lose this region again. If you lose and start downtrending, then I will be probably deleting it from my chart because I know it's already provided us. So for now, I will keep it on a chart. It's also give me bias. If you lose this anchor VWAP, you will put in danger all the people who are longing here as well. So you can actually go for the lows, rotate range, this local range, yes, into the 44 weeks. So it's gonna more likely. So that's, you see how I'm combining things. So I will keep it on my chart for now because it has utility for me. And if you are scalping, you can even have more tight anchor VWAPs, but I'm not gonna do that. It's already a lot of them on chart. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. Anchor VWAPs turned on. We will be putting it here. So top one we don't need. We have the full range ones. Okay, that's great. And now we have a lot of naked ones below. Waiting for the retest. Okay, so we don't need any action in this folder. Order blocks. Okay, order blocks. Very nice. We have group indicator for order blocks. This is good indicator. The member who was who made the indicator died a few months ago, so rest in peace, brother, and thank you for that. We still use that, the indicator. Order blocks are great, especially 4-hour ones. There is very high win rate for 4-hour ones. So order blocks, yeah, they are like ICT principles. I think they mostly work because people believe they work. They don't have to be there don't have to be institutions placing their bids or asks there. It's just people believing it enough. It's self-fulfilling prophecy, and same like golden zone. Yeah, whole market believes it's working, and it's working. That's why it's working. So it's same like order blocks. It's just I like to focus on strong order blocks after the key market structure change. Yes, when you go for the retest after market structure change, that's why I like them. And you can also backtest every single order block and see their win rate. So for now, like 4-hour order blocks very strong. Look at that 3-day one. I think the 3-day one order block was like that. And we know it's 3-day one, so it's massive time frame. So we can actually expect just from this order block to range to be put in, and that's what we are doing. Now you see rest of the body was also touched. Now I have the word rest here. It means it's still like it was 70% of the order block was taken, but we still have 30% of the body left. It's like inefficiency, right? So when you complete, then you start to see rejection. You know, it was nice confluence. So 3-day order block midline was traded over here. 4-hour order block midline was traded, deleted. A market also telling me it's watching that 3-day order block, so that midline told me so. And we all had another trades from the beginning. Perfect. So I will be definitely watching the rest of the body, because order blocks can give you trades from the beginning of the body, middle of the body, or end of the body. Okay, so 4-hour order block here was already traded. That's old stuff. Now we need to extend older ones. So let's go. This one was front run. We'll be doing just some recent ones, so it's not taking so much time. Always backtest, guys, what you are using, yeah? Because I was watching some traders interviews with other traders, and they say, oh, they don't believe historical data. That's pretty much bullshit, because everything around crypto is coming from historical data. Some things change, like we changed perspective to the bull market. I mean, we were in the bear market, we were trading like bear market, capital was leaving. I was teaching traders how to approach it properly. It was harder trading than bull market. But yeah, always do your backtesting, because then you can't believe what is working, and you can't have much edge. You can't be just discretionary trader based on your experience. You need data. Yeah, you see what is dominating my chart. It's 4-hour order blocks. If I have words S on the order block, it means it's strong. It's strong. There are multiple reasons why it's strong. This one is, for example, strong because we were in this range here, and it was the last red candle, last order block before we broke out this range. So we changed market structure. So future retest of this we should get really nice reaction. Okay, this is updated. Now let's go into our current range. I don't think there will be many order blocks. It's just let's see. We need to go to 1-hour time frame, and let's turn it on. Yes, we had a lot of order blocks over here actually. What is turned on? We need to check what I have turned on. So I have everything except the 30-minute ones, which are more for scalps. Perfect. Actually, this range was really great for the order blocks. So you want to see why you need to backtest order blocks. Look at the purple one is the 4-hour time frame order block. So we've created it, retest, held, big push. After creation, retest, the order block was taken, push. Another one, retest, just start of the body, push up to the upside, massive push to the upside. This is the Saturday. Okay, Saturday. Even over the weekend, we've taken the body fully, push. Sometimes you just take the body. You need to accept that, yeah? So Bitcoin is, is very volatile. So 4R is the boss. Okay, and so more locally, what we have here from Sunday, we have Orderblock. I need volume. Oh, not much volume there. This is weekend for the block, so I don't like weekend. It can be, if you start pushing over these highs, it's gonna be very easy for the liquidity, so I don't like it. Just was watching if we get some order block here, but nothing. Especially during that structure. Okay, so now I'll be watching so we can turn off the volume. If I have everything on my chart what I need. You see the 3-day one I was mentioning you. Look at that. Rejections, boom, down. It's like massive. Like people look for swings out of this. Yes, I have everything on my chart currently. Why it's not showing? This one is just, yeah. Nothing to be done in the order block folder. We can turn this off. Market is pretty much efficient recently. Local extensions. What I have in this folder? Just one. And okay, so these are the extensions. Usually trend Fib extensions over here. This is very old one. It's gonna be deleted. I just need to do. Okay, so we have something here. So we go trend Fib extension from the big high. We go for the low and we go for the high. Okay, and now do I have some template? Yes, I do. Oh, okay, I don't want that. Just 161 and 1-to-1 extension. That's what I want only over here. So this is extension. This is trend Fib extension. For now, we are in the range bound environment and the trend is negated pretty much. But when you take out this low and you don't make swing failure pattern, then you can start watching this bull for the trend Fib extension. Because you see why. Because you are taking this low and your target will be this 1-to-1 extension for the bounce, or if we overextend, we go for the golden zone. These trend Fib extensions were really great on Bitcoin. So many good. It's secondary confluence for me. It's not main one, but I definitely want to be aware of this. So this is the one we have. We can delete this one. Already traded. And we can have 50-minute one as well. Yeah, like that. So you are also ready for the upside. If market will repeat similar symmetry, then 1-to-1 target will be here for you. Bitcoin market, and overall crypto. Like I'm expert on Bitcoin, but you can apply this to any asset in the world. Bitcoin really loves the extensions, and yeah, based on my experience, they work decently. Okay, extensions local, and I think that's it. What we have from in local. Now balance zone, there are also extensions. I will need to do a lot of updates here. You can also hear my thinking process about them. Was not updating it for some time, so we'll be starting from the yes, this need to turn on because this is related. We will still watch that, of course. Just need to turn on the local pool. Let's analyze first this, because we need the most local one. So yeah. Oh yeah, so Bitcoin was pushing in impulse. Now we've created a key level here, which created our range. So the key levels are always created when it's the top of the range, local one and bottom. We've got the balance zone. Now market went for the down pushes, 2.5 held. It was a very violent move. So what I will be looking here, I will only I don't want to watch this extension anymore, especially because because this was really, I'm only watching for the symmetry of the future move based on this. So yeah, we went down violently. So this push is not, I mean, this pull is not so useful for me. We can do reverse. Reverse to the upside, almost 2 was hit. And after this range, we found the bottom here. Yeah, this is not so useful. We need larger pull. So we measure full range here. So we need to do this high here. Very good, like that. This is the top of the range. Pull. This is the low, very violent low with big volume. That's what I want. Just need to extend it a bit. I will be naming it as the main pull. Rename main balance zone pull. Balance zone is very powerful. They also work at the stock market. So what I already see here, we've stopped at 0.25. The balance zones are really useful because when you don't have liquidity tools, so where people get stopped out or liquidated, these are multipliers from the exchanges. For example, if someone is 10k long, I mean 10x leverage long, if price goes 10% against their position, they will be liquidated or stopped out. Balance zones really make it a lot easier. Now we also use 125s. These are very, very common. You know, when you are ranging for a long time and the price goes to the upside and it's failed session, I mean failed auction, it often goes for the 125 and reverses because it's now destroyed a lot of people who were short in this range, a lot of leverage people. So now we are reversing. So this is the first thing I want to see. And now I definitely want to turn on 125 because if we continue to the downside and we take out this low and we go to the downside, we will take out these lows as well. Now on the symmetry target, if you want to repeat similar damage and Bitcoin absolutely low symmetry, I will be ready to watch same way to the downside. So we go 125, just minus. What's that color? First red one, like that. Oh, I need 0 there. 0 there, very good. So this is the main pull, fantastic. We'll put it over here. And you can also do more local ones. You can do also pull over here. I will not watch local ones. For local ones, I have just better order flow stuff and so on. But yeah, this is primary. I'll be watching that. I will be putting. So we touched it exactly, so I can. I don't even need to make it as a zone because it was very, very precise. Fantastic. We turn that off and we still need to process this previous range here in case of much deeper pullbacks. All I will be doing is just extending this. We don't want that. So we get acceptance in the future into this range and we take out these lows, then our first targets will be here. So we need to extend this really. So 35,190. These people are positions, yeah. I mean, they are positioned. So of course, many people took profit in this range. But many people are staying in the market as well. There are also some people are trapped, so they'll be watching extensions, and this is still valid targets in the future for causing maximum pain. Where is the price? Okay, so we can go like that. Fantastic. All is sorted here. And last thing we need to watch is 4-hour time frame. Okay, this is the Bitcoin was in heavy consolidation for how long? Look at that, 23rd of March till October. Yeah, so you need, when you start to leave such range, you also need big extension targets. So you can take some nice chunks of take profits as market is trending. See, now we've reached, look at that, so each big multiplier, now 2-to-1 extension, price went to the range. Now we've hit 3-to-1. Look at that, we are going into the range. In the future we will hit 4-to-1 possibly. The price will go very likely to the range. Yeah, you need some stairs structure, and this pool is showing me that, and I was, you know, efficient, very efficient. We take profit. Of course price can overextend, yes, but if you do something like that, yeah, then you are not losing any profit. You already have something like this in your pocket. Also, I will just turn on for the future 3.5 and 4. 3.5 and 4 for white and purple. Very good. So this is done, and let me check. Yeah. This one we can do. No, we can actually keep it. These were zones. With this balance zone, this major multi-months balance zone was giving us targets where we'll put future range. So you only had two options because Bitcoin absolutely loves symmetry. You need to watch that. So our first option was to be to create range in here, but it didn't happen. It was based on previous symmetry, and now second box played out. So I'm watching, and if we lose this box here, and this is inefficiency zone, I still want to see future range here. Yeah, so I'm keeping it on my chart. So I will be just extending this for the future. Okay, the thing balance zone is done. So VWAP closes section, turn on. You can learn that in our group, and if you're a member, you of course know how this works. Market loves to feel inefficiencies, especially VWAP closes. So I'm definitely marking that. I have indicator for that. So VWAP session, oh no, not this one. Let's go VWAP gaps, and we will be starting from the old time frame. Let's go to daily one. Nothing, not much on my charts, but we have the weekend one, so let's make it on our chart. So this is really day one, yeah? Okay, this is day one. Seems I'm missing the day one, the day ones. I don't know why. So I'll be just adding it. Very good. Market always wants to be efficient, and you can see nice reaction after inefficiency fill. This is valid for many things we use. So day is done. Let's go to weekly view up close, the naked one. Weekly. Nothing on weekly. Well, as this all is marked. Further monthly. Okay, this one was done. This one was choppy. So all good. And we go to quarter. Fresh quarter is done. Very nice. Quarter one is also important. This is watched by institutions and funds, especially their flows. So we need to do that. We need to copy for our time frame. You should backtest this, what's the hit rate and so on. Okay, so quarter one over here, and we need to go to 1 hour time frame for better precision. Excellent. Further, we also have the yearly one. For yearly one, I need to go to big time frame and find the, I should have somewhere yearly one. For our time frame. Done. Turn off the indicator and continue. Let's continue. Okay, so we need balance zone. I mean golden zone. Main one was traded already. Yep, this one done. Then we need the main pool for the 1 hour. Great, this is ready. This local one was also traded. Yep. No. Okay. Like that. Delete. Oh yeah, there will be a lot of repairing. We need a proper high now. So what was the current high? $40,000, $46,000. That's beautiful. Easy to remember. So the first pull is coming from this low here. Yes, that's very big pull. So we need that on our chart. So 46,000, 4,600, like that. 4,600. And the low is 34,469. I do like that because I don't want to cover my chart. This is much more pleasant. Secondary pull is coming from the lows of the previous range and uptrend channel. It's pretty rare you have so many golden zones together, but yeah, on those, if you zoom in, they are not so close, of course. And the low is 33,193. Um, 33,193. Perfect. Now we have this pull here. Don't know if I like this low. I don't like it. It's very, very, very local pull, like very local low. We'll delete it for now. And of course, this is very like major pull. 26,500. Okay. Okay, so 46 and like that, so 26. And this is correct, just need to pull it. 26,500. And we start, this is very, this still can be medium time frame to local, but yeah, this is definitely higher time frame, is to be pushed away. Do we have the golden zone folder or no? Yes. Done. Done. And now 50-minute time frame. So this is ready. Everything's ready. Key levels. 1 hour time frame. Key levels on our chart are formed from the value areas where we put, you know, some nice tops and lows, and also the, you know, key supply and demand areas. I will put key level over here. It's very simple. When you look at the chart, it's very key local level. It was the first high we put after massive impulse on a Bitcoin, and it started acting as a, we also, of course, we have the market structure, yes, but we can have the precise level to the dollar as well. So that's what is important for it. Now let me check this one. Key level, oh, it's very, very choppy. I don't like it. We'll be looking for another one. This one. Not ideal. We definitely want to watch that one. It was high volume low. Yeah, okay. That's it for now. Drop traders. Why is this Fib visible? Okay. Let me check. So for trap traders, this is without any order flow tool like Exocharts or other tools. We just use trading view mainly for this analysis for simplicity. It's actually, I have tab for it. So we can watch over here. 5-minute time frame. Oh, load up, save, refresh. Okay, I'm looking for the open interest increases mainly to see easily drop traders. So this happened over here. We already traded that. We had one open interest increase over here, so we definitely make pull on that. Where is the start? So shorts and longs going. These people you see, you can learn this in our group. We often trade trap traders. When you have very significant open interest increase, you can trade that. We already, like in this massive push to the upside, people were longing and shorting as well, but more longs. You can see that over here, delta longs. Open interest increase, and now as you move down, you trapped all these people who were like late longing in this top range. Market going for the retest, and this was the volume node of those people. Open interest increasing, already acting as massive resistance. So what I'm looking now is 2 more nodes here of trapped people. So this one and this one will be marking in on the chart. So I need the one I have here, 1 hour time frame. So these were long strapped. Okay, so we have yes, like that and like that. We can copy those. Ah, it's not. Fuck. It is not Bybit. Ah, yeah, that's Binance. $45, 852. Okay. $45,700. Okay, that's done. Okay, and over here. Okay, not relevant. It's already played out. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so I completed local time frame, and now I'm moving into the medium time frame. So from medium time frame, I'm using 1 hour time frame to higher. Anchor VWAPs, medium time frame, those are really long term, will be far away. Nothing changes here. Ooh, market structure, yes. These are market structures from the previous, like from 1 year back. We go to 1 day. You see all the important supply and demand zones. That's why we are also stopping here. We've got trades from most of them. But I will clean them up because I have ranges. I have supply and demand zones from these ranges here as well. But I need to go to the small time frame and see which one is reacting because we have too many. So we need to find out. This one we can delete. It was already like naked as well. On this one was traded. This one also helped us on the trade. It was naked one gone. We will keep those two. They are reacting well. This one as well. The white one, super choppy, can go away. And this one is also, this one is okay. Super choppy as well, not relevant. And this one is good. And this one is also good. Naked can be deleted. These were working great. I was trading all of them so they can stay on the chart. So perfectly fine. To the upside also it's untested. So not much changes over here. Okay, good. We go to daily. No, okay, nothing to the downside. Just one to the upside, that's it. Okay, and then it's choppy. We go to the weekly. No new naked weekly. Monthly. Naked monthly was traded and I'm now changing it to market structure. Monthly, I'll be changing it. It's still very relevant if we start closing above or not. Okay, not much changes here. Naked point of controls, 1 hour time frame. Delete, delete, delete. We were shorting this one was very strong, so we've got nice short this one, delete. Great, below us we are ready, and I just need to extend this to the under the price. Same thing here. I know we have some notes. I remember everything like that. Done. And this is perfect. And now we have more. We need more current price action. So let's do Exocharts session. Okay, so we have London session here. This was before major moves to the downside, so it's gonna be an important volume. And the naked point of controls, so 45,002. $45,002. Volume and London. Yes. 45,337 TPOC. $45,337. T and POC and London. Perfect. And nothing else from the session point of view. Okay, now we go to daily. This is by bit inverse. I don't see anything. Very efficient range. We've took all of the most of the naked point of controls. I will still verify with Binance. Like that. Yeah, Binance is there. Yes, so that's why Binance is key. 45,237. $45,237. Text needs to go down. And letter W can go. All right. A daily. Volume based. Binance. Nothing volume based. We go to weekly. Nothing, this one is marked, and monthly. Nothing. Great. And I still need to check session ones to the downside. All right, they were traded. Ooh, that was, yes, big long. I was also longing. I look at that. New York retest. Done. And again, New York. Yes, New York. New York, New York, New York. You know why New York has such a win rate. Okay. So we've done naked point of controls inverse. Value area levels, definitely need that. What's that yearly open? It's like candle crazy. From which year? 2022. Okay, I need to remark. Oh, okay, I have it here. Delete. We can delete this one, previous week, yes. Weekly open, we will do just now, and naked can do. $43907. Okay, so we are opening in the previous range of the previous week, and we have rotations 44.625, 44.625. I'm always marking that every week because market loves to rotate previous range, previous week range. This it has the biggest impact on price, like that. And we have the val as well, and for that we need 42125. 42125. And we will have a look if we have more naked ones, but I don't think so. Yes, this was all traded. This one is marked. Oh, very, very good. This is done. Key market structure levels from high time frame. We need to go to really, really high time frame. These key levels, you can see I'm in the medium time frame, so this is even like high time frame. I'm marking very, very significant lows, highs, and supply demand zones as price is returning and pushing to the upside. So I will actually need to finish this. I will go to 1 hour time frame and return back so I can remark further. Actually, we should really go to 2 hour time frame. I need to see the price action on the drops. Yes. I'm marking it from the, like, you can even go back for that. We have market structure areas. You can go really, really back, but for the like key levels, as we were dropping from 16,000 to 16,000, I'm using the whole drop, like the neighboring, like you go to retest here now with the price, so I need key levels from these areas. So this is the last one I had, significant one, and now we need further. I will actually go to 1 hour time frame. It will be better visibility. Very good, very good. So this was the previous range from December to January. 1 month range. Not bad. So we definitely need, so we were moving to the downside heavily. Massive bounce, we found above the range after the bounce here, so this is definitely our key level. And within the range, we found, on the pullback, we found the bottom. over here. I'm also watching after you place it if it was reacting nicely. And now I will be marking that low as well. Really, really good precise level. Definitely. Come on. Okay, you got it. To the upside. So we was pushing here, then we found stability over here. Actually, we'll be pulling one key level from here. So we don't have like super strong established range. It was very like small one here. It was born from here. Definitely that. And from here. You see, I would like to make a key level here, but this is like zone. Like market fall down heavily, is bouncing, and now all this area is market structure resistant, so I can't even do precise level. That's why it's very hard to do key levels. Bitcoin needs breathing room, so we already have market structure for this. So yeah, but this is best I could do. So yeah, we have key levels up to 55,000. You see, it's not many. Now let's see how was price reacting to key levels. Yes, I marked very, very strongly. After you got the move, like even here, very quick recline, but on the backtest it's holding. Again, it's holding. Yes, in bull markets, like when you are pushing in bull, it's less likely you will react because you had some liquidity here, and so market was ignoring. But after pullbacks, market pays attention to that, and now we found resistance at this key. Yet again, I view it more as a zone, is high level, high time frame. But yeah, I did good job with plotting it. Now we go recheck value area ranges from medium time frames. So these are really higher time frames. This one can be deleted, was traded already. This can stay because we have very little range here. So I need to know if we get acceptance into it and then push to the 46.729. Definitely keeping. This one can go away. It was very old range we're waiting for. 8 hour time frame. We even need like 1 day one. Oh yeah. Beautiful. This is beauty of auction market theory. Because Bitcoin was pushing in the impulsive manner. Yes. Over here. We didn't create any volume on the push up. The volume support is over here. So Bitcoin, if you wanted to keep very aggressive market structure and establish new range, it was watching the previous range here, which had volume here, and it was holding back. So it's a sign of strength, yeah. While you're holding like that, like crazy, you don't expect move to the previous range. So yeah, very, very good. I'm still keeping these on the chart. Point of control with volume, high volume not holding. Okay. We can turn off that. Not my job to do. And when I get 2-month range here, if we continue ranging here for much longer, I will be moving the range from local one into here. So no work there. High volume nodes. From previous range. Okay, very nice. You see, this one it's to be deleted. Those were like local ones. Buy. Alt. We need to add alt because this is very old range. 1 hour time frame. Yes, you can see beauty. Even after more than 1 year, Bitcoin was pushing back to the previously strong levels. High volume node gave us trade. This one was skipped. Here we have low volume node, easy to move over. Now we've had a daily naked point of control trade here, but you were also watching it like high volume node fully. Okay, well, and I will keep those. Easy. We can move high volume node from local one here. No work to be done in this folder. High time frame Fibonacci's, we'll be checking how it's going. Okay, that Fib is correct, and now we need even a larger Fib, so we need to move. First we need to unlock. $46,500. This one can be deleted as it was traded for most of them. Swing failure patterns. Possible, like future. Okay, we look for pivotal highs and lows. Very nice liquidity. Okay. Nothing special here, easy. Let's go. Liquidity. Where is the maximum pain of the people? And I will need to mark liquidity out of this range. These two lows will have juicy liquidity. Let's look on that. $50-minute time frame. Hmm, 40,250 down to, okay. So like that, and 2 down to 40,081. This is more of like big swing failure pattern for very tight one, but you have larger node ending, so we will mark both. We will mark both on our chart. So Yes, I need to also, because Binance Bybit had lower low, yeah, like that. So from when? 10th of December, almost 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Okay, and then we need medium liquidity node. And it is stretching down to 39,871. Yeah, I'm only marking really significant. And let's verify in Hyblock as well. Mm-hmm. 39,100. Oh, where was the end? $39,400 or 500. Let's have a look. $39,400. Okay. Very good, like that. And to the upside, there will be no much liquidity because we already, with this move, have taken a lot of highs here. So just local one. Let me zoom. And the local one I don't mark because every single day we get more local ones. But yeah, why not? 46,000. We'll just mark it as medium liquidity, not more local one. Because these local ones, yeah, I can see in my tools every day. But why not? We can see max pain at least. 46,000. Build up from here. This is just 3-day liquidity. Done. And now we need to mark this major liquidity. Okay, done. Move it to the proper folder. Single prints buying tail and selling tail. We need to just extend here. Okay, we have very big buying tail here, so let's mark it. Oh, actually two of them. 42,212. 42,212. 42,987. 42,987. First one and second one. 41,41,87. 41,637. 41,637. Very important to mark, because these are, when you are creating it, you can learn in our group how to utilize this. How can you stay in your big long or short thanks to them. Selling tail. Do we have any selling tail above us? Just little one, no need to mark. Orderflow support and resistance. I'm not gonna do this on the live stream. For that, this is very like powerful stuff. You need to learn that directly in our group. As you can see here, so this is yeah, I will be skipping that folder. Imbalances. CME gaps gone. Extend it. And extend those old ones. And let's recheck. BTC 1. No, it needs to be here. BTC 1. Yes. Okay, so this gap was closed. And we still have this down one. So no changes here. Okay. Let's have a look on geometry. Old pitchfork, everything's old. One more channel is here. Price still very strong, not even moving into the old channel. But geometry is not so important. And now we move to the high time frame to recheck, because most of the time it's just rechecking. Very rarely we change things in these folders. They are with me for months, years. High time frame anchor VWAPs. Multi-year ones. Market is showing you incredible strength for now. All of them are reclaimed. For now. High time frame range. We wait for the retest of this if we take out the high. Very important high volume node and point of control. No changes here. Market structure long term, also no changes here. They are for my chart for over 2 years. You can see how important they are. Just beauty. High time frame Fibs from 1 day perspective. Not much reaction. Market is not even paying attention to this high time frame pull from the high to low, but we will see on the golden zone in the future. That's what matters. Weekly single prints. Let me check if there is some work to do here. For sure there is some work. Are these weekly? Why it's okay. Oh, those are single prints. Okay. Not fair value gaps, single prints. We need to check that on our template. Here are just 4, not even gonna check them, and here we have from 30 to 33,000. Do I have them? I do. Okay, so no changes there. And if we zoom out, do we have anything above us? I think close. I need to rechart because yeah, I can rechart it a bit. Oh, so we can mark this one. 49425. Four nine four two five. weekly fair value gaps. There I can mark it. Done. And oh yeah. And monthly. Oh, that's done. Okay, we don't care about that. So I would say the main charting is done for the Bitcoin. Of course, I already have a lot of stuff done. So main charting is done, and now I'm using the second chart where I will be preparing trade setups and areas of interest with a lot of confluence together. So let's go for that. We will be deleting day trading, market structure local, short can go, lower longs can stay. This can stay. So we need to rechart this area. So we will be doing day trading over here in this section, and then I will be preparing short setups here and long setups here from 34, yeah, from this range. Okay. This can go as well. This can go like that. Folder short 1 to be renamed to be short 1. And just above 46,000. So it's 46. 46 up to 47. I'll be recharting that anyway. Like that. We can also move these folders so they are not confusing. So Bitcoin long. Rename. We need some nice structure here. So below 25k, 24k. delete it. Display it out, okay, delete. Okay, so I'll be copying my market structures fully. That's first folder, and now, so yeah, I'm using this link where I, like on one monitor, I watch 1 hour time frame where I have everything turned on, so I see all the confluence together, everything what matters. Some people like more tidy, I like it like that, but if I want to turn on something more specific, so I use my folder system here. So you combine both worlds, yeah, you have everything turned on one monitor, so you see all the confluence, and then you also turn on what you need here. So it's a combination of approach. So now we need to build, so we are in this range, so we need to build key levels, areas and everything for this range, so we can watch this, and then we will be focusing on some short areas above us and long areas from this range here. So we will have like 3 new folders. We can delete volume from here, and we can start. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. So market structures we copied fully. We will be just like overlaying them. Now let's go. Value areas are done. Now we need everything from here. So like this. So it's a lot of copying now. Once I see all the confluence on my chart, then I'm preparing trade areas of interest for me. So that's why I'm doing that. I'm not gonna do a step by step. I want to see everything at once. 4-week VWAP can be maybe thicker because we know it's significant. So it can be like this. Yes. Naked val for our swing failure pattern trade. Now main 4-week val, we make it thicker. Full range, so I can watch for rotations. Can already group this into day trading. Of course I do scalping from out of this as well, but 1 hour time frame. Second key folder where will be a lot of stuff. What else we need? We need these 2 vals here. Actually we need, so we'll be covering everything this, and below 40,000. Okay, so below 40,000 we can mark everything into new folder. Let's go for it. Highlight. Okay, it's already thick. Twenty-one day point of control there. Val of the small range. And small range bulls. As Bitcoin returns, you need to watch them. So I also need to watch them. We can do new folder. 40K. 40K to 36K. Let's do like that. 40 long 1, 40k, 40k to 36k. And then from 36k we will do another folder for this range. Or we do 40k down to 34. Oh yeah, let's do that. It will make sense as it is close together. Like this. This is now long 2. Long 3. Okay, done. Further data. 2 weeks. And point of control is missing. We need to add it. 2 weeks. Can close Exo for now, this desktop one, and let's continue. High volume nodes. So naked one above us, main one, great. This is going here. Okay, high volume nodes are there. I will not be commenting much for the until I copy everything, and then I will be commenting at the end how you create the trade setups. Anchor VWAPs. Now we need important ones. So all those. So the one which is holding the range of the impulse, and then we need more local ones and full range. This one is not needed actually. Fulfilled its purpose. Anchor VWAPs, that's it. order blocks. Okay, that's it. Okay. Okay, first section is done from the local time frame, and now we go for the other folders. So many point of controls. Okay, we are getting into the final stage. Slowly, just finishing last folders. Okay, so I copied what was important and needed, and now I can prepare myself areas of interest. When you consider context, we'll be also tidying the chart, so we can start from short one at 45 to 50k. Like that. first area of interest for me to the upside will be definitely over here. Remember about trade areas, you will see in the group. It is area of interest, not guaranteed area I will enter. I will be deciding based on order flow. Technical analysis, yet again, covers where you want to enter the trade, where. But 70% of trading is if you want to enter the trade or if you don't want to, and when you want to enter the trade. And for that we have order flow. Okay, it will give us green light or it will give us red light. And also price action itself. Yeah, like if you slice over this area with big volume, then you have no trade, of course. You will have no limit here. You will have reactionary trade. But this is definitely area of interest for me. I already see that because we have naked yearly here. Yes. We will close inefficiency into the VWAP, and we have high volume node here. Like is highlighted as a strong. It's more like, as I have no text, it means it's more very short term, like few days old. It actually, no, because yeah, I was using older methods. It is actually higher volume node. It is also TP or naked point of control merged 21st of March to 11th of April. So around 20 days of naked volume. So yeah, really great for area to look for trade, potential, failed action and swing failure pattern to the downside if you, don't stay above this high. So you can also treat it as swing failure pattern. So trade area is based on levels and also at swing failure pattern areas. If we don't see any reaction here or we just keep this, then definitely we'll be watching for this. It's another high volume node with daily naked point of control and naked daily together, and is also VAG of the range, smaller range. I have no text here, so it's just 1 day range or very, very short term few day range. So you can finish rotation and start creating new range. So yeah, definitely another area of interest, not just for shorts, but also for profit taking if we see strong reaction. So like that. That's why I want a lot of stuff on my chart so I can see the confluence. Confluence at once. We have 1 month point of control here. It's gonna be an interesting area. Also 1-to-1 extension if we leave this range to the upside. And order block, so another area of interest. I will not be marking this as trade area, but I will be also watching that, of course. And here we have another key market structure where we can actually range for some time. So if we get, this is definitely an area of interest for me because we have 2 massive highs here. So I will be doing it like that. Monthly naked point of control. No, yes, I will be marking this big zone for me. Trade area. We can get potential swing trade from here as well. Because if you go to charts, you go to big time frames, 1 day. And you turn on swing failure patterns, which will show us key highs. This is medium swing failure pattern. Why it's marked as medium? Because this high is more important. So recopy. Where are you? So this secondary high is just medium. Yes. You can zoom out from the chart and you can see actually this is great area for swing failure pattern because we have a very significant high. Or if you start breaking out, then we will see another upside and we will be aiming for these highs as well. But they're definitely really, really nice area. So I have trade area here. Want to watch that. Yes, so that's enough from the trade zones to the upside. Now day trading perspective. We will be also tidying up a bit. So we have medium liquidity here. This can go over here. medium liquidity like that. Trap traders at the top. We can do so we can see the text properly. Mid as well. Trade area, where are you? So just more locally, of course, if you're not scalping, but yeah, area of interest for me definitely here, especially taking out this high, so we can start taking liquidity. Point of control with high volume node of the range, and I will be looking for the trade in this area, especially these upper parts. I would like to split it into two maybe areas, but yeah, I will keep it like that. We have trap traders here at the VWAP, so they can help us before we take out the high. They can help us to create some downside move. We have daily naked point of here as well. So yeah, very, very nice area. We'll be watching. It's more wider. Well, market is super choppy around our main high volume node at the moment. So buying tail over here. Now, very important, if you start getting acceptance into it, you will put into danger these traders who are longing big time, including me. So yeah, that's why we have it. Also, if you start to take a low volume now, it's very likely go for the lows, for the potential swing value pattern into the golden zone. So definitely, how is the liquidity? I therefore put trade area of interest there with some alerts. Trade area. We also have this rising uptrend VWAP. So yes, it will probably catch up until we get there. So yeah, watching that as well. And of course, it's our 4 weeks val. So yes, it is from auction market theory. Of course, we are watching that for another profit taking and range rotation. So is making sense to be interested in this area easily, definitely. So below us, now below us. So we do it for bigger clarity, like. We have again another buying tail at low volume node. It is telling me once we start to get acceptance, it's very likely we will fill most of the. We actually can plot high volume nodes inside the wick. That's what I will be doing in a group. So I will mark some support. This possibly bounce inside the wick, but yeah, you generally don't want to get acceptance because you will put traders into danger again who are buying crazy. So for that, if you get acceptance into it, start filling it. Yeah, I will be looking for the lows and for the major liquidity from our range. And now we need to tidy. So we do CME gap over here, liquidity over here. These rectangles can go over here. Now I will need to turn on my another folder so I can see more confluence here. Oh, here we are. So, oops. So my area of interest definitely would be, so let's move it here. So if we lose these lows, I'm already thinking in my head, I definitely want swing failure pattern. If we get it, for swing failure pattern, you want to grab these top liquidity regions, right? So you want to take major liquidity 4 weeks and this one, and then push up, or just this one and push up. If we start to getting into this high volume, into this liquidity node, then it's very likely we will actually fill it and just go down into the 4-hour order block, start filling CME gap. This is just estimation, by the way. We'll see. We need to watch CME directly if it's filling or not. So, but yeah, I would probably want some nice trade from this place, where we have some little volume and we will finish the rotation of the range. We have daily naked point of control, but it happened over weekend. You see, Saturday, Sunday. Just check here. So very easily can be taken out now. And we have inefficiency below. So you see single prints and low volume node. This is all telling me it's very if you start taking loads from here, weekend volume is considered very low. Support most of the time is just no volume from institutions and much. Yeah, it's very likely we will fill the inefficiency wick here and go for the full CME gap fill and into this small range we had here. So it's very, very hard for me to put trade zone here, but I will do our trade zone here. So for swing failure pattern. And second one, we will see. And we also have the so anchor VWAPs here. And now we have from previous range, look at here, from all the uptrendy was collecting volume for a long time. So this can actually help us hold us and create a big wick. So we might find support even though it was from weekend, but this anchor VWAP is very, very strong. So ideal place would be, but I consider it lower probability trade, is from here. Definitely once we run the liquidity, potentially run the, it's going to be tricky, but I will put it here. No need to trigger, no need to enter trade if it's not showing you good order flow or reaction. But this area of interest for me. Just need to tidy so it's not overlay, no overlaps. Everything's beautiful, tidy. Further down, this was our big market structure area. Massive resistance. Now we will be expecting to find support here for the swing, for the push to the upsides. So especially from VWAP of this range. Yes. So I need to have some trade area of interest here as well. Let me tidy here first. So we do order block on the side. You see already massive, like super strong combo. You have weekly naked point of control area, and we have 4-hour order block here. Also big golden zone, naked daily, and VWAP of the range. The absolutely crazy confluence just from technical analysis. So I definitely will be interested in this place. Like that. And I will do it wider because we still have 21-day high volume node here with yes, this is going to be wider area. And another trade. Actually, I will do it very wide. This is going to be very wide. Well, because I'm interested in this area fully. Depends how we approach it. Monthly volume, monthly naked point of control. Yeah, we'll do it very, very wide. This is your area for the swing trade, same as here. And if we don't stop here, then we will be taking out these lows and liquidity. We have trap traders here. Another trader here. This needs to be also. I will do this off stream. I mean, off video, just studying and preparing more trade areas. So yes, traders, this is long video. I just showed you how I chart. I hope it was useful for you guys. I'm not commenting much on like every single tool would we use, so you can learn that directly in the group. And remember, technical analysis is just 30% of trading. Rest of it is price action with order flow, so you need to really understand the order flow. Most of the people in the world understand technical analysis, still they are doing poorly. Only very few people can trade just out of technical analysis. For crypto, it's very easy to learn all the order flow tools, so yeah, make sure to join us and learn that, and you will improve trading a lot. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the more videos. We'll be now more active in the YouTube again. See you and bye-bye.